Alright guys, go ahead and take a look at the channel that I have on screen right now. Okay, this is a channel in the history niche and it's doing a fantastic job of doing YouTube automation. It's called 3-in-1 History, and they were able to get 16,000 subscribers with just 35 videos. And if I click on see more, you can see that they were able to get 5 million views with those 35 uploads, which is really good. Now you can see that they are monetized, and if I go to their latest content and just go to oldest, and you can see the oldest video is just 1 month ago, and you can see in the beginning it kind of didn't blow up, but that's to be expected with a search-based channel. So 3,000 views on that one. They uploaded for a bit until they hit some of their viral videos. So this, keep in mind that all of these videos is in a 1 month period, so not all of them are going to hit. But if we go ahead and go to popular, you can go ahead and see 2.4 million, 1.3 million, 705k, 103k. So a month's worth of work, and they were able to get 5 million views in that month, which is getting them monetized. It's bringing in a nice amount of AdSense revenue. And if we just go ahead and take a look at this channel, because it's kind of unique, because it's completely faceless and it's completely voiceless as well, meaning that there's no voiceover within these videos. So I'll just go ahead and click on the latest upload, and we can go ahead and check this video out. So you can see that they're just compiling these clips, and they obviously editing the clips in a unique way, to make them transformative. But the only audio in the video is from the actual video clips themselves, which is great. And the topic of this is Iran panic. Why did the US send an aircraft carrier to the Strait of Hormuz? Okay, so it's going on with that curiosity gap. People want to find out, and they watch these clips to piece it all together. Okay, so it's very, very simple. And if you scroll through this whole entire video, you can see that they add like some nice effects onto the video, okay, to make it transformative. And it's pretty good. So all you need to do to create a video like this is, you can see they're about 10 minutes long. You just need to get the footage of these aircraft carriers, wars, tanks, okay, missiles, okay, and you can find all these clips on YouTube. So if we just go ahead and search for Iran missile strike, for an example, I just search for Iran missile strike, and what you can do is you can get these clips. Okay, so this was 1 day ago. Let me go ahead and open up this clip.
On day 21 of the ongoing war, Iran
what you can do is
the authorities said
you can basically get this footage. You can crop out this banner right here, and there's even softwares where you can crop that out. Okay, but some of them don't have the that banner. Okay, but you just find clips that don't have that banner, and so on and so forth, and then you compile all these clips into a video. So use YouTube as a resource to gather all these clips, and then you'll be good to go. Okay, so now the way that you don't get around repetitive content or reuse content is that you add effects to the clips. So you can add like the grainy effect onto the clip. You can shorten the clip, speed up the clip slightly, and then you should be good to go. And if you compile all the different clips in your own order, it's going to be a unique piece of content. So when you go back to 3-in-1 History, there's not a lot involved when it comes to creating these videos. Okay, so another one is high alert. US deploys 7,000 elite troops to the Middle East. So you can gather all the clips about troops in the Middle East, and then you compile them together. And these thumbnails are not difficult to go ahead and create. You can create these. This is basically just a screenshot. Okay, and then they have like a picture of Trump and some text. Okay, this can all be done in either Photoshop, Canva, or ChatGPT, Gemini. You can create these various different video clips, and it's really easy. If you want me to go ahead and create a video just like this and show you the whole entire full process, then you can go ahead and join my free school community, link down in the first link in the description. Because what I'm going to be doing in the future is, let me just go to my school community. Okay, what I'm going to be doing in my school community is, if you go to the classroom tab, I'm going to be adding a new course in here for free, where you can see this viral niches course that I have here, and like celebrity niche, apps niche, gaming, AR. What I'm going to do is create a tutorial on each of these niches and show you how to make the videos. Okay, so that'll be coming in the classroom pretty soon. I'll probably add 1 or 2 of those tutorials a week. So make sure that you go ahead and join the free school community. Now, if you go to the social blade of 3-in-1 history, you can see that they're doing some pretty. You can see that they're getting 8,000 subscribers in the last 30 days, 4.8 million views in the last 30 days. And that's great. And you can see, obviously this is a new channel, just 1 month old, so there's not a lot of actual data to go on when it comes to Social Blade, but 4.8 million views, we can estimate that. Okay, if we bring out the calculator, 4.8 million views. Okay, you want to divide that by 1,000, and I would guess the RPM for that particular channel is about $4. So that's like $19,200 or $20,000 every single month from the YouTube AdSense, and this has all been generated within the first 30 days of the channel being live. Okay, so that's 3-in-1 history, and then you can also see that they have a community where you can join, so they're making even more money. So a very untapped niche, not really untapped, but it's a unique way of going about the history niche. You get all the popular topics, compile a video about it, upload that, and get views. Now, if you thought this video was helpful to you and you got some value from it, go ahead, leave a comment. If you want to leave a comment about anything related to YouTube automation, like the video. If it helped you out, subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video.